So two types of long-term care coverage. There's the traditional long-term care coverage, and as Tony said, there's the life insurance-based long-term care coverage. Well, what's the difference? Well, you can pay for the health insurance version of long-term care all your life, never use it, and you get nothing. You can take a look at the life insurance-based long-term care. You're going to pay a guaranteed level premium in that particular case, where your health insurance premium can actually go up and will go up more than likely as more claims come in your age bracket. But the life insurance locks in your premium. So you pay for that, you know what you're going to pay. But here's the benefit. If you qualify for long-term care, then you have a set benefit that is there for you for a period of time on that life insurance policy. It is basically a prepayment of the death benefit. So if you have a $150,000 life insurance policy with a long-term care rider on it, you can access that $150,000 for long-term care purposes ahead of time before you pass away. If there's anything left on that policy, if you haven't depleted that $150,000 in our example, if you haven't depleted that during your long-term care stay, then the remainder of that $150,000 pays out as a tax-free death benefit to your heirs. So clearly somebody is going to get paid in this situation, either you through long-term care benefits or your estate, your beneficiary on that policy. It makes for a much more palatable way, I guess I would say, to be able to step into the long-term care thing. Although the initial premium on the life insurance, Tony, if I understood you correctly, it is actually a little bit more on the life insurance version than what the health insurance version is, at least from the get-go.
Yeah, and we're seeing it. The gap is closing because and if you have a traditional long-term care policy and you're in your late 60s, that's probably still, the policies used to be a lot more robust. And at that point, you're kind of past the age of probably being able to get a life insurance policy. Right. But the gaps are closing. But you do, in 5 years, you could easily bypass traditional costs versus a life insurance policy as far as your premiums.
Want more content like this delivered to your inbox weekly? Visit fastest4.com to learn more.